I realise that some of you might not know what Hugelkultur is, so here's my quick and easy guide. It's just another method of making growing spaces in your garden. So here we are in my virtual garden, and here's the most important part. We're going to lay down old wood, so seasoned wood, rotten logs. You can start with one big main log or lots of little ones. It doesn't matter, just use what you have to hand, but it needs to be older wood, not green wood. And then you're just going to layer up organic materials on top of that. So you can use compost, which is easier to plant into. You can use leaves. You can use wood chip, whatever you have to hand really. You can even use hay or straw if you've got hay or straw in your garden. Perhaps you've got some animals and they need bedding, so they've got hay or straw that's been used for that. And then you just plant into those materials in the gaps between the logs and the wood. And it works best with perennial plants, but some people do plant annuals in their Hugelkultur beds. So that's Hugelkultur, a way of creating beds that slowly release nutrients over a long period of time.